Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse. And today we're at a server here, and I have some hard drives that has been teasing me. And it's these 3.5 inch, and these are SAS drives. You can see that by there is no hole in this. If there was a separation between the power and the signal, it would be a SATA drive. But these SAS drives, I have tried them in another server in a previous video where I was gonna put them in a storage pool, and they did not want to go. They just messed with me all the time. So today we're gonna figure that out. I have already kind of figured it out, so I'm gonna bring you along. So yeah, this is one of the drives. I have another one in the server already, together with some other drives that has no issues whatsoever, and I have another one that is also messing with me. So yeah, I'll show you what I figured out. First, this is the Lenovo/IBM X3650 Model 4. It has room for 6 3.5 inch hard drives here in the front. The one that we are going to be messing with is in drive number 0. Okay, to make it a little bit simpler, I took out all the other stuff, so there's only that one drive in here that we are going to be messing with, and the other good drives are up here. And yeah, there's an empty tray as well. So let's see what the system sees. I am running Windows Server 2022. I just installed this today. I haven't almost changed anything. I still have a 180 days of my free trial on this installation. So a very normal thing to use is a disk part. And with disk part you can see the drives and you can see the partitions. So we can list disk, and we get 2 disks. And what we see here is that this one is offline, and we have 0 bytes free. The other one, disk 1, is the boot drive. So we're not gonna mess with that. But yeah, we need the disk to be online to mess with it. And we can also see that if we go over here and into disk management, we have the disks right here. But here we get something more. It actually says that this is a MP8 giga pool, and it says that it's a storage space protected or protective partition. So that is what is messing with me. I have had this installed with Windows storage spaces, and when I took the drive out, I didn't remove it from the pool, and that is what is messing with me. So right now I can't do anything with it. We can make it online, and everything is just grayed out. I am not able to do anything. I can go over here and I can select the disk. Select disk 0. Select it's. So there is 2 partitions on it. One is reserved, one is unknown. Can we clean it? Clean. It says that it did it. I'm not really sure that it did. Not initialized. We can initialize it. Formatting. Okay, that actually did the job. Yeah, and it also doesn't give us the 0 over here. So now that drive is working again. Awesome. It should be hot swapped, so let's take it out. There. And it disappeared over here. I am curious because mounting them in trays takes a long time, so I'm hoping that maybe I can just use this bottom tray and I can slide it and hit the connection in there. it's pretty pissed about it, but it did it. So let's see if this part sees the next disk. It does. We have the same error. There is 0 bytes free, which is and it's offline. And if we go to the disk manager, which is right there, we can see that this is another disk that has been in the MPH Giga pool. So yeah, let's just online that. I could maybe do that over from disk part, but it's easy to do it from there. So that's disk number 0 again. So we're gonna select that. Select disk 0, 3 terabytes. There. Disk 0 is now selected. And we have smashed that. So now we can initialize it. GPT, okay. Unallocated. I don't think I need to do anything more than that. I tested it before, it works fine. I'm gonna do the last one. There's no reason for us to do 3 of them. Okay, that's the last of the 3. And that one is also okay. So that's 3 terabytes. And that should be working now. So next challenge. I have some 1 terabyte hard drives. More exactly, I have 26 of them, and they are all kind of weird. So I'm gonna try and pop one of those in. These are Hewlett-Packard 1 terabytes, and they have also not been behaving. These are SATA drives. So let's pop one of those in and see what it comes up with. Okay, that one doesn't seem too bad. It's offline, so let's try and put it online. Unallocated. Can we just do something with it? Formatting. Basic. Okay, that one is not bad at all. We have a new drive here. Let's try and put something on it. I don't have much on this computer, so I'm just gonna copy this thing. That went over there. Not very quickly though. That's a lot of small files. But nevertheless, it did it. Okay, this was weird. I have just been through all of these 26 drives and there was no issues whatsoever. They were they turned up fine, they were great. Some of they were all offline when I put them in, but when I onlined them I could convert them to GPT, and yeah, there was nothing wrong with them whatsoever. I've had all sorts of weird issues with these, so that's funny. I'm trying another disk. It's a predicted failure disk. I had it sitting over here. Funny enough, these 2 drives, they don't show up if I pop them in, but everything else works just fine. I have no idea why they don't pop up. Yeah, that was a weird video. Now I've been preparing this server for the last few videos because I wanted to mess around with these drives and figure out why they weren't working, and then when I get to it I don't really find any issues. Well, there was that protection from the storage pool, but that was easy enough to remove in server 2022. I don't know, I might have run into bigger issues if I was trying it in server 2019 or Windows Server 2016. I don't know, but server 2022, well, didn't really have any issues with that. So this is the wrong way around. Usually I try to do a simple video and it takes 2 days. Today I had prepared for this video for weeks and it took an hour. So yeah, so this video might be a little bit short. So, well, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Oh, give this video a like. Bye bye.